Hi, I'm Zane Church with Albuquerque Modern Martial Arts. We teach Krav Maga, Jiu-Jitsu, and Filipino martial arts. We do a bunch of classes every month, about 40 of them. And because of that, we're really stressful on our equipment. Previously, we've tried kind of that run-of-the-mill equipment you can order online, install yourself. And in particular, we've had problems with our heavy bag racks. Very excited to be able to tell you about the heavy bag rack that we recently got from Phat Steel. Not only is it custom designed, but it's also professionally installed. It's super well engineered. We've been pounding on that bag rack and have had no problems whatsoever. The reason we're so excited about it being installed professionally is that my insurance company is ecstatic about that. And the reason being is the liability for that installation is no longer on us as an organization, but rather the people that do the installation. And they do a wonderful job. Took only about 3 hours. It's incredibly durable. Can't tell you how happy we are with it and how effective it has been for us. Can't recommend the bag rack highly enough. Not only have we been able to use it without any problems whatsoever, but because of how it's so well engineered and so durable, it lasts forever. The price is right within our target range, and it's incredibly durable. Highly recommend it. All of our trainers are ecstatic with it.